Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I Chaitali Vyas welcome you in junior KG class. Children, yesterday we learned how to write in order 1 to 10 in our notebook. Today also we will write once again. But before that, let's revise numbers 1 to 10.
Number 1. How many engine? 1. Number 2. How many tractors are here? 1, 2. Number 3. How many vans are here? 1, 2, 3. Number 4. How many bikes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. How many cars are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6. Count. How many jeeps are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. Count. How many trucks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8. Count. How many ambulances are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. Count. How many steamers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10. Count. How many boats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10.
Now let's do an activity.
Here are beads. Now tell me, which color bead is this? Yes, green. Which color? Orange. Which color? Yellow. Which color? Yes, blue. Which color? Yes, red. Which color bead is this? Yes, white. Again, green, yellow, white, orange. Now, tell me, what is it? It is a string. Now, we will pass these beads through the string. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10.
Children, let's solve the worksheet.
In this worksheet, you have to count and match. Count. How many gift boxes are here? 1, 2. So we will match with number 2. count. How many frogs are here? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So we will match with number 6. Now count. How many ice creams are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. So we will match with number 10. Now count how many butterflies are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will match with number 8. Now count how many cakes are here. 1, 2, 3. So we will match with number 3.
Children, now we will write in order 1 to 10 in our notebook.
Today's date is 29.8.20, 29th August 2020. In order 1 to 10. T, O. T means tens, O means ones. Number 1 to 9 we will write below ones. To write number 10 we will write 1 below T and 0 below O. Middle of the box, make a standing line, touch the bottom blue line. Curve, go slant, slipping line. Reverse C curve, another reverse C curve. Slant line, slipping line, standing line. Slipping line, standing line, reverse C curve. Half curve, go up, make a circle. Slipping line, slant line. C curve, reverse C curve, go up and join it. C curve, go up, come down straight and touch the bottom blue line. We will write 1 below T and 0 below O. 1, 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, make a curve, go slant, slipping line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Below O, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10.
Okay children, hope you like this video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.